The industry is changing, and that requires us to research and adapt and understand and pivot. Journalists no longer hold the only megaphone in the marketplace. So it's really important to have people who are imbued in the tradition of journalism, who understand the importance of getting it right.
What the Online Masters does with its variety of areas of focus, which includes, health communication, interactive media, media management, is that the way the verticals are set up, students get the opportunity to have ethics, they get communication law, they get all the foundations that you get from the Missouri School of Journalism, and then it's layered based off of those areas of focus.
The Mizzou method made me very clearly, from the undergraduate program that I did when I was younger to set me up for a wonderful professional career that I'm very proud of. When I was looking at online programs and looking at a master's degree, frankly, there was no other university I even bothered to look at. I knew I wanted to understand and work with the faculty members who understood the professional development I was seeking, but also understood the academic success I was looking for.
There's never been a better time. There's never been more channels, more opportunities to really engage people, whether it be podcasting or whether it be video storytelling or whether it be branded storytelling. And stories are still so central to our human experience.
On 2004, when I graduated from the program, I remember people asking me, well, do you think that it's going to carry any weight? Or do you think people will respect it? Or do you think it will say online on it? And when I got it, all it says is the University of Missouri. And the people who wondered, would it carry any weight? They don't ask that question anymore.